Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you yet another favorite of Goan cuisine. This dish is a true testament to the rich culinary heritage of Goa. This recipe is as vibrant and flavorful as the beautiful coastline of Goa itself. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe beginning with the marination of the fish, ingredients needed for grinding the curry paste, and finally making the perfect curry. We'll guide you through each step to make sure you can recreate this Goan classic at your home. Imagine the aroma of freshly ground spices, the tangy zest of tamarind, and the rich creamy coconut milk blending together to create a symphony of flavors. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan Pomfret Fish Curry. Step 1. Preparing the pomfrets. We have taken 3 medium-sized pomfrets which weigh around 500 grams. To learn how to clean pomfrets, refer to step 1 of our Pomfret Caldine recipe. The link is provided in the description box. Once cut, place the fish slices in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and keep aside for around 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the coconut milk. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. In a mixer grinder, add the freshly grated coconut. Add half cup or 125 ml of water. Grind to extract thick coconut milk. You can extract the coconut milk using a strainer or a muslin cloth, or simply using your hands to squeeze it. To learn how to extract coconut milk, refer to step 3 of our Pomfret Caldine recipe. After extraction, we will get around half cup or 125 ml of thick coconut milk. Pour it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now take the coconut that you have already ground and put it in a mixer grinder to extract thin coconut milk. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Grind the coconut again. Press firmly to extract thin coconut milk. We will get around 1 cup or 250 ml of thin coconut milk. Place it in another bowl and keep it aside. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water to it and let it soak for 15 minutes. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. 1 medium-sized onion cut into medium-sized pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic cut into small pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger cut into small pieces. Take 8 Kashmiri red chilies. Cut the red chilies into small pieces. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 6 black peppercorns. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. In a mixer grinder, add the soaked tamarind with water, the onion pieces, cumin or jeera seeds, black peppercorns, ginger and garlic pieces, turmeric or haldi powder, the Kashmiri red chilies, coriander seeds, grated coconut. Now add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Grind it to a very fine paste or the curry will feel coarse and grainy. Our curry paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the pomfret curry. Take 1 medium-sized onion, cut it fine. 1 green chili. Cut the chili into 2 and then slit them. Half teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. On medium heat, in an open, thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir everything nicely.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onion turns slightly golden brown, add the curry paste. Stir it nicely to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Use half cup or 125 ml of water to rinse the paste that is left in the mixer and add it now. Stir everything properly. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Now add the thin coconut milk. Stir everything nicely. Help us reach more people just like you. Share this recipe with at least 3 friends or relatives who love fish, and I'm sure they will be excited. Add half cup or 125 ml of water and stir. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Be careful while adding water, as we will add the thick coconut milk at the end. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally in between to prevent the curry from sticking to the pan. After 6 to 8 minutes, open the pan and stir. Once the curry is boiling, add the pomfret slices gently one by one. Swirl the pan instead of stirring with a spatula or spoon, otherwise the fish will break. Add the split pieces of green chili. Cook the pomfrets for around 5 minutes. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt. Reduce the heat to low and then add the thick coconut milk. Swirl the pan lightly so that everything mixes properly. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Check the consistency and add little water if required. Check for salt and add if required. Once the curry is simmering, put the heat off. Delicious pomfret curry is ready. Serve the pomfret curry hot with rice or bread, chapati or roti.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.